USB II has made arrangements for ITA Group Incorporated to assist you with all of your travel plans. You should have received your flight itinerary via email. If you have not, please contact U.S. Bancorp Travel Headquarters at 800-407-7456. People are available to assist you from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Once you receive your airline confirmation, you can view details about your commercial flight online. Just log on to www.viewtrip.com. Because your flight itinerary information is secure, you'll need to enter your 6-character View Trip number, which is found on your air schedule and final air itinerary, and your last name or surname. This will ensure that only you or someone with your reservation number can view your trip details. Once on the View Trip website, you'll find up-to-the-minute information anytime, day or night. Keep in mind any cancellations or changes after ticketing may result in substantial penalties. All penalties will be your responsibility. Here's some very important travel information you'll need to be aware of. For the second leg of the flight into Great Exuma, we have chartered 2 airplanes. In order to fly on the chartered aircraft, you will be required to provide your passport or the original or certified copy of your birth certificate with a raised or embossed seal, along with a government-issued photo ID. Your luggage will be checked from your departure city to either Denver or Fort Lauderdale. Upon arriving, please proceed to the designated baggage claim area assigned to your arriving flight and claim your luggage. Uniformed U.S. Bancorp travel staff will be on site to assist you with the transfer to the check-in area for the chartered flight to Great Exuma. Details regarding the charter check-in will be included with your airline ticket or electronic ticket receipt.